Such a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Beautiful day to do a Lego set. Come along with me and see what we're doing. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Carrie and this is My Brick Heaven. Today, I'm going to open up a Brickloot box. It's my first one I ever got and a few little things I got with it. And I'm going to continue my build on Lord of the Rings Rivendell. I got that for my birthday and Valentine's from my husband, and I did bags 1 through 4. So let's see where I'm at and let's see where we're going. Hope you're having a great day. Little snowy by me. I'm here in New York. How's it by you? Let me know below. Hello, everybody. Good day, everybody. How are you today? I am well. It's cold, snowy here in Long Island, New York. How is it by you? If you're in a sunshine state, I hope you're out enjoying that sun because I am inside enjoying building some Lego today. I am working on Rivendell, Lord of the Rings Rivendell. I'm having a blast. I'm only through bag 4. I got that as a gift from my husband for my Valentine's Day and birthday gift. They're only a few days apart. So excited to be doing that, working on some other stuff. My family's working on things. And I just wanted to come on here and open up. I got a box from Brickloot. I'm trying to decide if I want to get a subscription to them. Do you have one? What do you think about it? I ordered 1 box. I ordered a few little other things with it and I built one. It's a little gumball machine and I think I got a little motorcycle, but I think my son took that. So I'm just gonna open up this Brickloot box. It is marked, I'm not sure if this is the date, 6/24, so maybe that's when it was packed. I will leave the information below with their link and how much it was. It comes in this, and I'm not going to, if I lose it first, I'm not going to lie. I did open it and I had to peek at the minifig because these box comes with a minifig and a few different builds in them. There's different subscriptions and it's a great site to go to if you're looking for things to buy, not only subscriptions. So I'll leave that link below. Not sponsored, just curious to see if I want to get it. So the box opens like this, and here's the presentation. Brickloot, share your love of Brickloot, document, share, enjoy. Thank you for being a Brickloot customer. We appreciate your business. Share your boxes and builds online with #Brickloot. Happy building, Parker Krex, he's the CEO. So since I opened this one in particular thing, and this beautiful little shiny bag comes in pieces, a minifig. So I had to put them together. Got little Farmer Joe here. Really, I don't know who it is. I didn't look it up. I think it's just different pieces. But I think he's really cute. So he's gonna stand next to the gumball machine and he's going to watch me do this video. He fell over. Okay, Farmer Joe. Texas Hold'em, what are we gonna do? Okay, so 1 minifig. Next thing is they add odd little building items, and this will come in handy. It's a Brickloot LED light kit. Has some flames. This will come in very handy to light up. But that comes in handy. I actually did a few from Lumi Bricks, which I love, love, love. And you can see that the bus right there is lit up. And This is from Lumi Bricks. It's the Italian restaurant and next to the Lego Italian Riviera. So, little theme going on there. Okay, so next in the box, we have this package. It says Brickloot, and it says Ancient Trap. Includes 100% real Lego bricks from Brickloot, 58 pieces, ages 6+. So there's an Ancient Trap. Maybe we'll build that together. And the last item is from their mini city, and it's a pyramid. And that is 254 pieces, ages 6+. Excuse me. It's building 254. It's 250 pieces. There's the bottom of the box. Fit perfectly. Shipping was great, fast. So there's the mini city, the Ancient Trap, the minifig, and an LED lighting kit. So that's so much fun. Should we put them together? Let's do this one first, shall we? Stickers, because you know we all love stickers. Oh, I see, you guys. The lighting kit is for this. Got it, got it, got it. It goes in here. And this is just a picture. Warning, don't eat your Legos. You can choke on them. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so first I'm gonna sort my pieces. I use this melamine tray. There's the stickers. And if it's a big piece, I use a Lazy Susan. Let me ask you a question. Are you a sorter of your pieces, or do you just throw them out on the table? I am a sorter, so I could just see what's going on. You know why I'm doing this, if you ask how I got into this, would you believe? I did these as a kid, of course you would believe that. A little bit older, and I needed something to calm my mind, because I'm telling you, with these cell phones and everything at your hands, like lickety split, I have become a little ADD. And I just wanted some peace in my life and not look at my phone and not be bothered with that. But I mean, who doesn't look all day long for sets that are near you, possibly for a good deal, or Target or Walmart or someone having a deal, or Lego, and their releases are Bricklink, right? So there we go. And then we have the instructions on one side. On the other side shows you how to activate the trap and put the lights in. And again, this is the mini city. Oh no, online. This is for the trap. The trap. We're doing the trap. So here we are. I think I just have to put a little battery in here, and you just press this in, and then it should light up, and then it's your little trap. The only thing that was a little weird to me is the stickers were too big for these, so I had to push them down on the side, and You can see that one's not on straight. I went to pull it off a little and the sticker came off. So it had to stay crooked. So sticker situation, which I don't usually like, is not the best, but I mean, this is like fun. I don't know if this is particularly the theme I like, but you know, we'll fit it in somewhere. And instructions were, you know, easy, simple, and I mean, it was fun. Look, guys. And they flicker. I changed my mind. I like it. I like it. See? Girl can change her mind. One little thing will make me happy. It's the lights. I'm not that difficult to please. And it's off. Fun. Okay, that was fun. That was fun. We'll use it in our little mini city. Our pyramid. Hey, we'll do ASMR. Our mini city pyramid is next. Let's take the pieces out and sort them and get moving with it. Okay? Oops, I ripped the box. Da-da-da. Just a reminder. Something in here. More of their stickers. Instruction pamphlet. And a bag with a bag within a bag. Let's see what we got. Bag. Bags 1, 2 bag 1s, 3 bag 1s, 4 bag 1s, 5 bag 1s, or 1 bag. So let's sort these out. Please tell me I'm not the only one who can't start working until everything is neat and tidy. And I like to keep everything in the box, so if I ever sell it or give it to somebody, all their stuff is together. I know I'm not the only one. Am I? Am I the only one? Okay, let's get going. Let me just sort this a little bit. I'm not gonna do a full sort because I'm here with you. I don't wanna waste so much time. Good. So we are going to take 2 of these. Are up to here. All is good. This is fun. Let's see where it leads us. Crash. So you guys, I was like, these are more like tattoos. They're not stickers. I was cutting them. I wasn't putting them on straight. I was getting annoyed. They're like tattoos. You put them on and then you take the plastic off. It might say that in the directions. If I read the directions, okay, now I have to go fix my other one. Hold, please. Okay, so these are off. Guess I need a new battery. And then it's like, you go like this, and they all fall. That's the trap. So cool. I'm excited. Now I have to get the lights to work. This is gonna be fun. Ancient Egyptian guy. These are really cool pieces. Oh, so much fun. Let's put them on. And he's home. Okay, the fun. So here we are, coming right along. I love the hieroglyphics. I need to make them straight though. Oh, you're probably all yelling at me through the screen. I get it, I get it. User error, user error. Coming along though. Okay, so here's my 2 pieces. There was a little bit of user error on my part because guess what? They are like tattoos. You put the stickers on and then you peel it off, but if you put it on the wrong place, you're out of trouble. A little bummed the light doesn't work. It didn't work, then it did work, and now it doesn't work. So I probably just have to change a little battery. You just need the little screwdriver. It's probably like a little watch battery. These are very useful, so I'm excited. Playability, the trap. So fun. I will have fun playing with this, putting it somewhere in a village, and then we have, so fun. What did you think of this? And then, by the way, you connect these to other villages, the little modulars that will come with it, the mini modulars. Thought it was a lot of fun. What do you think? I liked it. I think I might just go ahead and subscribe because I think it's so much fun. Have a little village. Would you subscribe? I'll leave the link below. Have a good one. Before you leave, would you please do me a favor and subscribe? I'm just starting this channel, and I have another channel, but I just wanted to do this separately because I'm having so much fun with it, and I wanted to be totally separate. I'd appreciate it. Say hello below. Please tell me where you're from and what your favorite set to build so far is.